With the increasing property values in markets across Canada, your property is usually worse than what you think. Even like when you look at things like our tax assessments that come out, it's usually nowhere near what the actual true market value of the property is.
Are there things that you and Alpine Credits would like people to know about home equity loans that perhaps isn't as, public knowledge or sort of readily acknowledged by the public? Perhaps some pros, some benefits to them that aren't often discussed?
Yeah, for sure. I think one of the most important factors to point out about equity loans is that because it is strictly based on the equity available in the property, it's a quick turnaround time. So that's one of the greatest benefits to our clients, like I mentioned earlier, that when people are in that financial struggle in a given moment, the issue can be resolved in less than 10 business days. They can have the cash readily available in their bank account to use it towards whatever they need it to be used to. I guess the other benefit is that with the increasing property values in markets across Canada, your property is usually worse than what you think. Even like when you look at things like our tax assessments that come out, it's usually nowhere near what the actual true market value of the property is. The only part of administrative work that needs to be done beforehand is, and sometimes actually a lot of times, we even include that as part of the whole financing package, is the property does need to be appraised so we have the fair market value. And that's just to protect the best interest of the client because, like I said, most often people do not know that the property is valuable as it is, especially in the current market that we're in. And we do have one of the great features that we offer to our clients at Alpine Credits is we have an open period at the end of each term or at the end of each anniversary for a month that they can just pay out the mortgage without incurring any additional fees or penalties. We are also very conscious of making sure that the product is the right fit for our client. As a matter of fact, we do have clients that there are times that we look at their overall profile and we say, maybe you should try your bank first. Because we want to make sure that at the end of the day, our goal, like I said at the beginning, is to make sure that we have customer satisfaction at all points of interaction. That has been the key to our success over the last 50 years is that for us, it's not about selling you a product or a service. For us, it's about making sure that whether you do business with us or not, once you leave Alpine Credits, you have something good to say about us. And that has been the key to our success over the years.